Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button for more updates and upcoming videos. Snoring is often linked to lifestyle. If your bedtime breathing is keeping everyone in your home awake, there are some simple changes you can make to help prevent it. And here are some things you can try to overcome your snoring problem. Sleep on your side. Air turbulence is generally the fault of the soft tissue in the roof of your mouth and the back of your throat. If you sleep on your back, gravity pulls all these things south. Side sleepers have a better chance of avoiding this problem. To train yourself sideways, pick up something called a wedge pillow. Drink less alcohol. Alcohol, as you have likely noticed, relaxes your muscles, including those in your airways. And drinking is poor sleep hygiene to begin with. Stop drinking 2 hours before bed, at least. Have some water. This doesn't mean to slam fluids right before bed, for obvious pee reasons. But snoring means breathing through your mouth, so if you're low on water, your mucus will get all thick and viscous. Sleep on time. Snoring doesn't necessarily mean you're not sleeping well, but sleeping poorly will promote snoring. Regulate your cycle by establishing a consistent bedtime and wake time. Paste strips on your face. Yeah, they look silly, but do you want to quit snoring or not? The right way to apply nose strip is to take your thumb and forefinger and start at the bridge of your nose. Breathe in and slide the strip down, stopping right where your nostrils flare out. You may click on the link in the description below to get some of the items we mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment.